EBTRON helps support a consulting engineer in their design by providing a tool to measure the amount of outside air coming into the facility to ensure that they're in compliance with ASHRAE 62, which in most states in the United States is code.
But there's other standards that are important too. We have standard 90.1, which is really the energy standard. And if we got into a discussion about high occupant density spaces, we'd be talking about demand control ventilation, or modifying the amount of outdoor air based on the population.
The EBTRON product helps consulting engineers meet the requirements of ASHRAE 62, which is the ventilation. And also, too, it helps them with 90.1 in terms of the energy standards. And it also ensures that you're having a high-performance building and it meets the requirements of LEED 2009 and LEED 4.
And so when you talk about compliance there, it's not so much compliance as much as you're trying to get, basically accumulate points to satisfy credits and prerequisites within LEED. And airflow measurement is very important there, whether it be, again, for outdoor airflow measurement, or it be for demand control ventilation, or it be for other reasons to save energy, or applications where you can decrease noise levels. There's a number. We could sit here all day and talk about how you work through LEED.
It is essential in today's world that you bring in the right amount of fresh air, both for health as well as energy savings with 90.1, and EBTRON has that today.